So, I want to show you guys how I do my fake freckles. This is so easy, you guys. I love when my makeup's quick, easy, simple, fast. So, first product you're gonna need, any brown eyeshadow. Honestly, an old contouring palette works the best. I take the Kat Von D Shade and Light. Mine is destroyed. This is my favorite shade for freckles, right up here. And you're gonna take a setting spray. I use the Essence Fix and Last setting spray. A Sephora stippling brush I bought like 8 years ago when I first started doing makeup. Anything like this type of texture to do the freckles is gonna be your best bet. Okay, so what I do here, spray. Ooh, I got that on my face. Woo! Swirl, spray and swirl. The more you spray it, the more diluted your freckles will be, so they'll be more like watered down, I guess you could say. And just really swirl that in there. Placement is key with the freckles. You could be light, harder, that's when you go harder. Tap it out if you need to. I have to bring it like right underneath my eyes. I just love this like nice like sun-kissed look. Honestly, don't overthink it. Freckles go anywhere you want them to go. Just place them throughout your entire face. Different pressure if you need to. See, hard, goes a little bit darker. I just tap with my finger. Ooh, get the hair out of my face. And just like, what is that, 2 minutes? Not even. I put my hair over my forehead anyway, so if I mess up on my forehead area, not the biggest deal, I just like to put it all up there for consistency. But yeah, add as much as you want. Placement, anywhere you like it, honestly. You do not have to put it all over your face. You can just place them all over your nose. Just like where the sun naturally hits, right off the T-zone of your face. Or if you just want to add in your freckles a little more to make it look more natural, the makeup. Guys, clock those freckles. Clock them. I mean, I can't stand seeing just like dot, 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 like zigzagging like a constellation moment over someone's face. I can't stand that. Get a stippling brush, you guys. This is game changer. You can see how fast I did this. It's super quick, super easy. You get up close too. It just looks so natural. 10 out of 10. Recommend this, you guys. Try it out. Let me know what you think.